Spanish is made up of several building blocks. Some of them are pretty easy to use, but there are others that are so random in nature that you might be having a hard time internalizing. The participles are a great example. If you don't know what they are, or you're struggling to internalize the irregular verb forms, stay tuned because in this video, I will be sharing a catchy tune that'll help you understand this. Hello there. Welcome to another video made by me, La Mexicanita. I will be dividing this video into two parts. If you don't know what the participles are, I suggest you stick with me. However, if you want to go ahead and learn the catchy tune that I'm about to share with you, it's a traditional folk song that I am sure everybody knows, and that'll help you finally internalize that information in an easy form, then go ahead and skip this part.
Let's start with a little bit of theory first. So this is an example. Great news. I've joined the gym because it's on my way to the taco place I love. Although this is not an ideal situation, I must say that I'm more interested in eating than I am in working out. Why is this a great example? Well, although you shouldn't follow my example, joined is a participle. It's followed by have, the auxiliary verb. Another example, if I were to talk about what I've eaten lately, then I would say he comido. You have eaten would be translated to has comido. He has eaten, ha comido. We have eaten, hemos comido. They have eaten, han comido. So you have the first part, which is conjugated like in any other verb. But the second part is the participle. It does not change. As you can see, it remains the same. Comido, 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 comido. How do we form it? Quite simple. If it's an AR verb, then we add ado. To buy, I have bought would be he comprado. Jugar would be jugado. Can you guess what tomar would be? How would you say I have taken? Well, he tomado. Second category is ER, IR, an IR verb, could be either one, and both of them share the same ending. Comer, comido. Beber, to drink, bebido. How would you say I have run? He corrido. We'll go over this list of verbs, but with a catchy tune. And what better way than to memorize this with O Clementine? Most people are familiarized with this traditional folk song, which just makes it easier for our brain to assimilate. Now, bear with me, I am no professional singer. I'm just a tutor, someone who wants to help you learn Spanish in the easiest, fastest way possible. The recording audio might not be as great as expected, but I mean, you can use the lyrics and sing them on your own. Here you have them. Dicho, hecho, Vuelto, puesto, roto, escrito y frito, muerto, abierto e impreso son los participios. Bonus, and fried y frito, but and impreso. The word starts with an I. So in order to avoid the E sound, we'll change this to an impreso. Now, you will listen to the song at a slow pace. That way you can catch what's going on. And then a little bit faster. Choose the speed that you best work with and have fun. Dicho y hecho, vuelto puesto, roto escrito y frito, muerto abierto e impreso son los participios. Let's do it a little bit faster. Dicho y hecho, vuelto puesto, roto escrito y frito, muerto abierto e impreso son los participios. A little bit faster. Dicho y hecho, vuelto puesto, roto escrito y frito, muerto abierto e impreso son los participios. Last time. Dicho y hecho, vuelto puesto, roto escrito y frito, muerto abierto e impreso son los participios. Want more? You could go ahead, repeat the video, and subscribe for more tunes.